Hello students, 6th English medium. In the chapter 2, whole numbers, we learn about how to represent them on number line. Now we are going to learn the addition on number line, subtraction on the number line, and multiplication on number line. So first we will learn about addition of whole numbers on number line. You have to remember that when we add the numbers on number line, you have to move from left to the right side. So first we will write down that instruction, then we will see some examples so that it can be clear in your mind. So to add the numbers on number line, we have to move to the right side. So when you add the numbers on number line, you have to move to the right side. Let's understand with the example. 1. Add using number line. Like 3 plus 5. Now you know that 3 plus 5 is 8. But we have to use the number line. For that, first we will draw a number line. Then somewhere on the left side you can take 0. Then as we learned in the previous video that you have to put somewhere 1, and that length will be the unit. And then same unit, at the same unit length, you have to place the other numbers. So same distance, 2, same distance, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. Now check first number. From the first number we have to start. So here 3. So at the 3 you will do the straight line. Now as I told you, we have to add, then we have to go to the right side, from left to right side. How many? Then check the second number, 5. Means we have to jump like a frog and move 5 steps. So we will show the steps also. Look there, jumping like a frog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Arrow shows that you are moving that side. So you finish 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now don't need to write down that, but it is only for your understanding that we are moving 5 here. So when you finish, it came 8. So now we have to show that we are going this side. How many? 5 units. So what do you get? 8. So now we will write down here that by moving, how many steps? 5 steps to the right of 3, because we started from 3. Which number we get? 8. We get 8. Therefore, 3 plus 5 So you have to do those things. Very simple. Start from the first number and then you have to move to the right side. How many? You have to jump. Jump like a frog. One step only. So 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 3, 4 and 5. 5 times. So the answer is 3, moving 5 on the right, we get 8. So 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Let's take another one example so you can have more idea. Add using number line. So take 1 plus 6. So now draw a number line, take 0, make your unit distance, and then same distance you have to go. You know that 1 plus 6 is 7, so at least you have to go up to 7 or more than 7. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now from where do we have to start? First number is 1. So we have to make a line there. Then we have to jump how many steps? 6 steps. So 1 step, 2 step, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So at the 7th step, when you finish, so that the 6 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, we have to do only 6 steps. So make a line there. Write down that arrow that we moved 6 steps. So by moving how many steps? 6 steps to right of 1. What did we get? We get 7. Therefore, 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. So here it is very simple. Just start from the first number and jump only 1 step at a time. Don't make a big jumps. Only 1 step at a time. So from here count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then at 6 whatever came, you just write down draw a line, then check what is that? It is 7. So by moving 6 steps to the right of 1 we get 7. So 1 plus 6 equals to 7. Now we will see the subtraction. Subtraction of whole numbers on number line. So now obviously it is easier that we saw that to add the number we move to the right side. Right? So now to subtract the opposite direction means we have to come to the left side. So to subtract and then you can add it here. We have to move to the left side. So whatever we did from left to right, now we have to come back in the opposite direction, means from right to the left. Here also we can understand with the examples. Subtract using number line. Like 7 minus 4. You have to subtract 7 minus 4. Means 4 must be subtracted from 7. It means that we have to start from the 7. So your number line should go up to 7 at least. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Not necessarily, but you can put. So now we have to start from 7. So you have to make a line there. Now we have to subtract. So don't go that side. You have to come to the left side, from right to left. How many steps? Same thing. Jumping one step like a frog. So here we have to move this side. So you can say that 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1 step, 2 steps, 3 steps and 4 steps. 7 minus 4. Now we have to show from here. Arrow, how many steps? 4 arrow. So now by moving, which side? Left. How many steps? 4 steps to left of 7. What did we get? We get 3. Therefore, 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. So here same thing we are doing. If we have to add, go to the right side. Subtraction to the left side. Procedure is same, only the direction different, opposite direction. For adding from left to right you have to move. For subtraction from right to left side we have to move. Let's take another example. Example number 2, subtract using number line. Like 9 minus say 5. You can add it here only. So we have to start from 9. And we have to move 5 steps. But not to the right, left side. So that is the 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So by moving 5 steps to left of 9, we get 4. Therefore, 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. So it is very, very easy. But here also some students, if you don't concentrate, you know what they do? Okay, let me explain it. They will do like that. They will see that subtract means we have to move to the left side, right? Then they will see 9. And what is next? 5. They will do 5 also. Then they will count how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. But answer is 5 here. They will write down that how many they step? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it is 4 step, but they will count. What the number came at the last? 5. They can write down 5. By adding also. So be careful, don't do that steps. So now we understand the addition and subtraction of numbers on the number line. It is very, very simple, like a child's play. you have to jump like a frog. Only one steps either on the left side or to the right side. Now, multiplication. Multiplication of numbers on a number line. So now, here we have to, when you multiply, always you have to move to the right side, but that I will only explain you with the example, because if you write down in the description, that will be little difficult. So rather, take it with the example, like multiply say okay, take like let's say 4 times 3 using number line. So now you know that 4 3s is 12. But now, how do we get that number? Because you must show the proper steps on number line to show your answer. You can't just write down that 4 3s is 12, that 12 is the answer. Now we have to check which number is at the back. 3. So now you have to move. You have to jump big now. How many steps? 3 steps together. How many? 3 steps. Starting from 0. Always you have to start from 0 in multiplication. Check the second number. 3 means you have to jump 3 at a time. How many times? It is 4 times 3 means 3 steps. You have to move 4 times to the right. So here 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, and third one, 1, 2, 3. You got the 12? Here, don't need to do that also. Just so that 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Right? So here you get that. So starting from 0. Always in multiplication you have to start from 0. Doesn't matter which number is first or which number is second. You have to start from 0 only. So starting from 0. Moving. How many steps? 3 steps at a time. 3 steps at a time. At a time 4 times. To the right. We get 12. Therefore, 4 multiplied by 3 equals 12. So on multiplication, we have to do steps on the right side only. Always starts from 0. And then check the second digit in multiplication. That much jump you have to do. And first step so that how many times you have to do that jump. Take another example. Say multiply 5 multiplied by 2. So start from 0. Here 2 means you have to frog jump at steps, 2 steps at a time. How many times? 5. So 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 5. So starting from 0, moving how many times? 5 times. 2 steps at a time. To the right side. After to the right, we get 10. Therefore, 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. Suppose it is 2 multiplied by 5. We know the answer is same, but we can do like that. 5 steps at a time. Then what will we do? 5, 5, 2 times. So according to the first number and second number, you have to change the number of steps and how many times that we have to. So now I hope everybody had idea how to add, how to subtract, and how to multiply whole numbers using the number line. So very simple now. So I am giving you as a homework exercise 2.1, very simple. Look there, find the number after, before, which is the smallest whole number. You have to write down the successor and predecessor. That also you know that how to do it. And it is very simple. So I am giving you as a exercise for the homework. Any problem, write down in the comment section. Thank you very much.